Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the shape button, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, adjust the shape, and then select another shape, adjust the shape, save the shape, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, then select the red color, enable button down, adjust the shape, and then select another shape, adjust the shape, to back the shape, select the to back option, copy the shape, select the copy option, save the shape, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Select the erase color, enable button down. Select the import button, go to the gallery. Select another photo, adjust the photo. Select the another photo, adjust the photo. Save the photo, select the save option. Change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.